Hi, my name is Darceline, or Darcy for short. Welcome to my video, or welcome back to my channel. And if you were never here before, welcome. I hope you stick around. Today I am filming this makeup subscription box called Play by Sephora. So let's check it out and see what I have in there. Alright, so this is the box. This is what's inside of it. First, when you open, you get this little booklet thing. Let's see what it says. It's really cute. I like the color. I think I'm holding it upside down. Yeah, it says Beauty Soulmates. Isn't that cute? Okay. Beauty lover's heart. The anatomy of a beauty lover's heart. Okay, I was just like, what is this even saying? But anyway, so it lists all the products that I got. I got this Clinique lipstick, which is good because I love Clinique. And this Kat Von D beauty setting powder. I don't usually use setting powder, but we'll see. Maybe I'll try it. And then I have this Lotus Youth Preserve. Anyway, this is all the products. I'm gonna say them again when I take them out of the box. So right now I might as well just get into the box. Okay. In this really cute blue bag, and let's open it up and find out what's inside. So the first thing I took out is the little lipstick thing. I wish I should try this right now. Okay, I do have lip gloss on. It's burgundy. I love burgundy lipsticks. This is how it looks. Let's see. I'm not seeing much of a difference. I don't think there's a difference at all. Okay, let's just do it on my hand maybe. Okay, so this is very light. I don't know. Like, this is very light. Yeah, so it's not even, I don't think it's even gonna show on my lips. So I guess this is the first thing I got. I'll still wear it because, well, I guess I spent money on it. Okay, the second thing is this, another Clinique products. Okay, it's the Clinique Blackhead Solution 7-Day Deep Pore Cleanse and Scrub. Yeah, I don't know if it's zooming in on it because I can still see that it's on my face. But yeah, it's a blackhead solution. I don't usually get much blackheads, but I don't know, maybe I'll find a use for it. I don't know, I think my sister gets some, so maybe I'll give this to her, but I do want to try it. Although I don't have any reason to try it. Yeah, I'll probably just give this one away. Okay, let's put it in my hand. Oh, there it is. Spilled a lot out. I think it has a good amount. I mean, it's for 7 days, but I don't know. I'd probably just only use this if I ever get any blackheads. But this is how it looks on my hand. It's a very creamy consistency. Honestly, it reminds me of ice cream. I promise I won't try it. Okay, so let's wipe this off. Okay, so the next product is Purity Made Simple Philosophy. I think it's by the brand Philosophy. There is a brand called Philosophy. Anyway, this is I'm not exactly sure. It's a cleanser for face and eyes. Okay, let's see. We have it right here. It's a it's a third one. Okay, so the brand is the brand Philosophy. So it says it's a gentle facial cleanser that tones and hydrates, leaving skin clean and balanced. I'm excited for this one. I do have my own cleanser, but I'll try it. Maybe it'll work better than mine does. Maybe it'll clean better. I don't know. Okay, next product. Yeah, that's the setting powder. The Kat Von D setting powder. Where is it? Okay, it says that setting powder. This setting powder has a weightless formula that leaves your complexion shine free, so it's safe to say it's a keeper. So I'm not an expert in any beauty things at all, but this is a very light color. I'm guessing it's probably one of those powder that's translucent because I think they said that. So I can apply it even with my skin color, but it looks very beige, like white people kind of color. I don't know if I should edit that. I don't mean that in any weird way. But like, it looks very beige. Like, it's not matching my skin tone at all. So I don't know. I'll try it and maybe it's just gonna... maybe it'll work. I don't know. But I don't really use setting powder. I have one setting powder from I think it's Maybelline, and I think I've had it for a few years now because I really don't use them like that. I don't know. Anyways, the next product, how many products have I gotten so far? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this box came with 6 products. So the next product is Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve. I bought my friends a few of these little candles from Amazon once, and this kind of looked like it. The box is really cute. I like it. Okay, let's try to open this up. Okay, so it's a moisturizer. That's good. So I got a cleanser, a moisturizer, a pore cleanser thing. Yeah, so I think they have my whole face routine down right now. Okay, isn't this so cute? Look at it. Okay, let's see. Oh, let's read what it says. It says the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. It preserves your youth. That's great because I kind of want to look young forever. Yeah. This hydrating cream combats dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. Plus, it delivers a young and in love glow. I feel like I'm complaining about all the products that I received, but I don't have dry skin. I have really, really oily skin. I mean, for the most part, like my nose, in an hour or two, it'll get really insanely oily. So I don't know if this is something that I'm gonna be using again, but we'll see. Okay, let's try it out. It smells natural, like it's made with leaves. I don't know. Like, yeah, it smells like it's made with leaves. It feels really nice though. It feels really creamy. Yeah, this is definitely made with leaves. I don't know what kind of leaves, but I don't know. It just smells really natural. That's what I'm going with. Yeah, okay. Next product. Would I throw it? Okay. So the next product will be the last one. An oil. It's called Ghost Oil. Hopefully it doesn't make me turn into a ghost. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think it would do that. It says, this hydrating oil is willing to put into the time and effort your hair deserves to minimize frizz and deliver lasting shine. It's a really small thing. The Sephora Play box, it is a makeup subscription box where you receive 5 to 6 small, teeny, tiny bits of samples from different brands and different kind of products. So I guess this is why it's this small, but it's a hair oil. What exactly am I gonna do with this? I don't think you'll be able to even get into half of my hair without finishing. Also, I've never called of anything called ghost oil. Let's Google this. Ghost oil. Okay, so it has 4.5 stars. I don't know, so that it might be good. I don't know if I'll actually use this at all, being that I don't think I'll put anything called ghost oil on my hair other than like castor oil, jojoba, and all those kind of things. I don't know if this will go on my hair because when I saw the reviews on Google, it was kind of just a bunch of girls with straight hair, like, you know, white girl type of hair. So I don't know if I'll exactly be using this, but I mean, it's a really small amount, so maybe, who knows, I'll just put it in the back of my hair and see what it does. Yeah, maybe I'll do like a test with it, like a trial mini run kind of thing, and put it in the back of my hair. And if all of a sudden my hair grows like 5 inches longer, then obviously I'll just go and buy it. But yeah, this is the last product that I got. Okay, and that was it for my Play by Sephora makeup subscription box. Honestly, I'm kind of disappointed with what I received. It's my first time back, and I might keep it for another 2 months, but if after 2 months it doesn't get any better, like I'm not receiving products that I'll probably use or that I like, I probably will just cancel it and maybe go for something else. I've been thinking of going to one of those full sizes makeup subscription boxes, but I don't know if I should. Like, am I ready to spend that much money every month on makeup and products that I probably won't like or won't use? We'll see. But anyways, this is it. Like and comment if you enjoy this video. Subscribe if you would like to see more of what I may bring out. And that's it.